welcome to part 2. I've just been setting up my paints and then working on my acrylic painting here of the tree trunk. Just deciding to go with all the browns in my painting first because I got my brown out first. So I'm just going to think about, okay, what in my painting will I paint brown? I'm going to paint the giraffe horns and the legs and the hill brown. And I don't want it to be, if I don't want it to be too brown, I can put a little bit here and then make it just push the color around and then use a little bit of water to not have it be so thick. It comes out like this. Have a nice opaque color. I don't want to put too much color on at one time, otherwise it'll get too blotchy. Alright, so there's one horn. And another horn here. Be careful with my brush too, because sometimes the bristles are not going the way that I want them to. So just gotta be careful of that too. Alright, so there's my 2 giraffe horns. I'm also going to go over here to, I can also turn my paper to one side and so my hand doesn't get in the way. So here's the one leg here, another leg here. And later, if I want, I can also make the hooves a little bit darker and mix a little bit of black in there to make it a little bit darker. But it's up to you. You can also make mixed paints like white and brown together to have it not be such a dark brown color. And you can see from the oil pastels that I used, it resists the paint, so you can still see it. Alright, so there's some of my brown. I'm also going to make my hill brown in the bottom, and then maybe mix it a little bit with white or water even as I'm going down. Probably need more paint for this. As you can see, this is getting pretty opaque, but that's when I can put some water in there and make it a little bit lighter. So here's just a sample of what I'm doing with the painting, and towards the end of the video here, you'll be able to see what I was able to do with the whole painting with different colors. Alright, see you soon!